Today we're checking back in with Ripple's XRP coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see XRP go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into Ripple's XRP coin chart, guys. If you'd like to buy XRP or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And right now we're sitting at 32 cents and it looks like the big reset is now finally upon us. As we know, crypto by nature is something that is cyclical and it can drop up to 90% in value from previous highs, and I think that's what we're seeing now. We saw the breakdown as we certainly expected, but there was no bounce. Our support point here at 34 cents was unable to hold up, but that really confirms for my mind we are now seeing another one of those really big reset events. So just to put things into perspective, the highest point we reached in this run, what was it? It was $1.96. So if we're talking 90% value drops, we're likely going to see values such as 19 cents, which we have not seen since basically last year, within the next few weeks. We have had that major point of support over here at 34 cents now broken, and we are certainly moving in a downwards direction. So let's put in place a nice new key point of support, and I think for us right now we're sitting obviously on one at the moment at about 32 cents. Plenty of action has occurred there, but I'm going to move our little marker all the way down to about the 19 cent mark here. You can see plenty of price action here in the past. It's been a major bounce point as well. Over, I suppose, the next few weeks, I can easily see crypto, XRP in particular, dropping further, and it's going to drop, I think, to that point before we see any sort of respite whatsoever at this point in time. So things obviously at the moment don't look good, but cyclical nature of the crypto market dictates that we must see these drops in order to see massive highs again. Let's have a quick look at a few of the other indicators as well. The RSI right now is showing us as being oversold. Now obviously we are dipping, and we're dipping quite quickly. The RSI is sitting at 25.78. Now typically what we'll see is probably a bit of a perk up before we do then see a continuation in the drop. That has been repeating itself time and time again. So don't be shocked or don't get caught out by a little pip up. We are going to continue to likely see drops down to at least that 19 cent mark. Let's have a look at the MACD as well. And the MACD, which was running parallel to each other, has now crossed the 12 days below the 26-day EMA, indicating that we are in for another pain period, and we are trending back downwards once again, although that is obviously quite clear from the price action over the past 4 days. How long this will last? Who knows, but I think that 19 cent mark really needs to be hit in order to, I suppose, establish a new base. Now, how long we're going to have to wait for a bounce? Well, you know, sometimes these things take months, years, whatever it may be, but typically what we'll see is the next run we have should likely be the bottom. We should have seen the bottom when we do start to get a nice little run once again, because that 90% drop will have certainly come into full effect. This, in my opinion, was a bit of a bull trap when we're looking at it like that. It is unfortunately something where a lot of people probably started to invest in crypto as well, and they thought things were starting to recover, but the downtrend certainly did continue. And for XRP, obviously we all know that they are caught up with Ripple in legal battles and that sort of thing. So that obviously isn't going to help the price. But for now, it's looking like we are going to continue to move in a downwards direction, probably down now to that 19 cent mark. That wraps up today's analysis of Ripple's XRP coin, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.